bubbles coming up from underground. Flowing all in this bitch. Oh, I gotta get my computers off the floor. We'll see if it's in the house now. They told me I gotta walk through this mud. Do you see this shit? Todavía no. So it's really close, but not quite yet. A couple inches. Oh no. Here, you know, I gotta get a video of you pulling up in my driveway like this. Yeah, I was freaking out at first, but now I'm like, all right. I've been through this before, dude. The first time I had a 2-story. Look at this nonsense. Oh. Oh, here. Tengo miedo, pero es diferente ya ahorita. The news is out here filming my house. I'm smoking marijuanas. Look at this motherfucker. Yeah, look at Blanca back there. It's so close to coming in the house. It's any moment. I'm cooked. Do you hear that? I don't even know where this is coming from. It's not coming from the door. It's coming like, I don't know where from. But he almost hit that boat. And then he's going down into the river, I think. Oh no, it gets shallower right there. This bitch, dude. The house is completely destroyed inside. It's flooded up to like ankle depth in the house. I'm standing by the mailbox and it's knee deep. They're using boats to rescue people out of here. And they're saying it's gonna be a foot more. You see these people coming down the road? Look at all of this. Look at this. Ruin. Ruin. Oh, look at this paint. Oh my God. All of this trash mixed with this paint. All this nice stuff I had going here. Oh, snap. My one table's still gonna make it here. It's at least a foot or so deep in the house. All throughout the whole thing. Out here, it's about up to my waist in the street. Yeah, so my house flooded this morning. That box is in my storage underneath water. My house is completely ruined. It's probably knee height inside my house. I really apologize for this, but as you can see, this just happened. About a foot deep. And this is a step down, so it gets even deeper. mira mi truck ahorita. ¿Recuerdas? No agua antes. Mira. It's flowing over. It's aquí. Mira las bolsas de chips. Son grandes. Cosas de mouth. Oh, mira este. Pinche grande. So I can see the fire hydrant right there. Yesterday, that was underneath water by like a good bit. And it looks like it might have gotten low enough to get out of the house where I can start pushing it out of the house and working in there. You can see the fire hydrant right there. Yesterday that was underwater by like a good bit. So it's come down quite a bit. Looks like it might be out of the house. I think I'm gonna walk through there and see if I can't start. Somebody trying to drive through got stuck.
I guess I see quite some damages both in your house and in your backyard, which is your shop. Could you take me back to the moment when you saw the water coming into your house? What day was that and what time, and how did you react?
It was yesterday morning about 7 a.m. The street started flooding. And my neighbor had said he had gotten an alert, and I had gotten an alert earlier in the morning about it. I didn't quite understand what it was. And my neighbor started telling me about in 1991 we had a flood here like this, and the river overflowed and there was a lot of rain. And then, around 8, 9 a.m. it started creeping up closer to my doorstep. I put some plastic through, around the front and back door. But as soon as it got a few inches higher, it started seeping through the walls and everything, and it was completely not going to be flooded.
And who was in the house at the time? Can you describe what it was? Especially, I guess there was a point that you felt like it was getting high and you had to get out. Could you tell me who was there and what did that look like to get out?
So it was me and my daughter, and she's 1. Once I saw that it was like an actual emergency, I called my mom and said we need to go home. She was working at the time. Like I said, put plastic on the doors and try something because we didn't know how high it was going to get. So I took her to her aunt's house, and when I left, the water was probably halfway up my driveway. And when I got back, probably 30, 40 minutes later, it was like 2 inches were coming in the front door. And after that, I was here several hours. Got to be, waist deep in the street, and in the house probably knee deep, probably 2 feet deep in the house.
So your situation is very unique, or quite unique, because it's not just your home, but it's also your livelihood, what your is at your house. Could you describe that double impact for me in terms of what is, what is it like for you? I mean, I don't want to say because you have both your house and your work getting dirty, and also tell me about kind of your view.
Yeah, I know it's a lot. Before the water had actually gotten into my house, and I thought it was gonna happen, I started We got some of the biggest earthworms ever out here. They're just swimming around. Look at them all. They're just out here. Lost. Look at that. That's a dock somebody had. Over there. These guys.
This is like the same as ground at the bottom of the river.
Yeah.
I feel like this one's been sitting for a while. It's got plants growing out of it and shit. This one's been